Preliminary results are out from a study on COVID vaccine mixing conducted at National Taiwan University Hospital. Researchers found that administering one dose of AstraZeneca followed by one of Moderna offered a higher level of protection than 2 doses of AstraZeneca. Similar studies on vaccine mix and matching are being carried out at several medical centers in Taiwan. Some are researching the effects of combining the locally developed Medigen vaccine with international brands such as AstraZeneca and Pfizer.
More vaccines are arriving in Taiwan. AstraZeneca, Moderna, Pfizer, and Taiwan's own Medigen are all going in arms around the country. Meanwhile, researchers are studying the effects of mixing vaccine brands. Preliminary results are out for a study led by CECC advisor Chang Shang-chwen on mixing AstraZeneca and Moderna at National Taiwan University Hospital. The study has found out that administering one dose of AstraZeneca followed by one of Moderna can have a higher protective effect than 2 shots of AstraZeneca. It's a similar effect as following a shot of AstraZeneca with a shot of Pfizer. NTU Hospital is also testing other combinations such as Moderna with Medigen, Medigen with Pfizer, and AstraZeneca with Pfizer.
That was expected. 2 shots of AstraZeneca have a slightly weaker effect. The main reason is because AstraZeneca is an adenovirus vector vaccine. If you administer a different kind of vaccine as a second shot, one that is not adenovirus-based, such as Pfizer or Moderna, the effect will be a bit stronger than 2 shots of AstraZeneca.
The expert says that NTU Hospital's preliminary findings were to be expected. Li Binging himself is also leading studies on vaccine mixing, investigating the effects of combining AstraZeneca with Pfizer and Medigen with Pfizer. Each combination has 200 test subjects. 7 blood samples from each were collected before and after vaccine administration. The whole study is expected to take up to 18 months to be finalized, but preliminary results could be announced 3 months from now. Changgang Memorial Hospital is also carrying out 2 studies on vaccine mixing. The research on mixing AstraZeneca with Moderna will be based on analyzing neutralizing antibody levels on medical professionals who have already received the combination. Meanwhile, 100 participants are part of its other study on mixing AstraZeneca with Medigen. Blood samples will be taken from subjects 28 days after the second vaccine shot, and again 6 months later. All in all, their health will be monitored until May 2022.
Right now, we have enough subjects, so we are beginning to carry out tests for neutralizing antibodies.
Studies on vaccine mixing are going ahead at many institutions in Taiwan to see the effects of mixing different COVID vaccine brands on the human body. The findings could open up doors for people to choose the combination that's best for them in the future.